Um, Basically, the idea of a linear function is that something is linear when everything is like to the first power and they're separated by different terms. Okay, so this is a good example of a linear function here because x and y are both to the first power and they're not touching each other in the same term. This is a function that's nonlinear, okay, because even though it looks like x is the first power, when x is in the bottom of a fraction, like 6 over x, that's the same thing as 6x to the negative first. So that's not to the first power, that's to the negative first power. So this guy is not linear. Same thing with these guys. That's x to the negative first, that's y to the negative first. This guy is linear because it doesn't matter if there's fractions. We're concerned about the powers of x and y. This is kind of like your y because it's your dependent variable. And this is, and your x is also to the first power. So that one checks off as linear. This one is not linear because x is to the second power. And just real quick, this x y equals 1. This is not linear. Because when you separate those terms, one of those conditions I said, if you divide both sides by x, you get y is 1 over x. So when they're separated, we find out that x is not to the first power. So make sure you look for x to the first power, y to the first power, make sure they're separated, and then you can say it's linear.